Hi guys, today's video will be a contact lenses try-on haul. You can find all these contacts on the amazing website of the brand Hanix. As you can see, there are a lot of colors. From natural contact lens style to more complex and cosplay contacts. You can find colors like green, blue, gray, purple. You can find lots of products on this website. Okay, let's unbox everything. Here we have the packaging. The box is super cute, black and white. We also have some gifts like this mini beauty blender, super useful, and these contact lenses applicators. These will be your best friend for a smooth application, or if you prefer, you can just use your fingers. The first color and my personal favorite is called Rome Green. This is the perfect color for spring-summer, super vibrant and simply stunning. It makes your eyes pop a lot. Of course, I'm so happy. This is how they look in pictures and more videos with a different angle and lighting. Absolutely obsessed. I totally recommend this pair. In the meantime, you can use my code VANE20 on their website to save 20% off at checkout. Next pair is called Muse Grey. This color is very flattering as well. This pair is not too natural, but at the same time not too much. It's the perfect combination. I'm so happy. This is how they look in picture. I love them. The third color and style is called Cherish Blue. This is the most natural one, perfect for everyday use. As you can see, the application is really easy and quick. If you're a beginner, I totally recommend to buy this pair because they are extremely easy to use, extremely comfortable, and they go with every single look. As you can see in the video, I'm wearing a soft glam makeup with focus on the lashes, so really light eye makeup, no eyeshadow, and bright lips. You can use these contacts as you prefer with a more dramatic look, for example a smoky eye, they will go absolutely amazing. Don't forget to check out the description box, I will leave all the links below. And once again, don't forget to use my code VANE20 at checkout to save 20% off. I will see you in my next video. Bye!